Hi everyone, apologies for the delay in between episodes. However, very shortly we will be releasing a tsunami of evidence in relation to Justice Desmond Fagan, currently presiding in the Supreme Court of New South Wales. We will also be alleging he has made over 50 court orders, and each of those court orders breached UCPR 36.151. They were made illegally, irregularly, or against good faith. In addition, we will be alleging that Justice Fagan's action deliberately provoked one's mental health who was trying to manage a case in the Supreme Court of New South Wales. We also allege that his conduct significantly contributed to an active suicide event that occurred on the 24th of April 2025 after 3 months of his case management. I decided to jump off the harbour bridge and I swerved my car. There will be over 150 grounds of appeal in relation to Justice Fagan's conduct over a 3-month period. That includes Justice Fagan conducting court hearings on the 28th, 29th of April 2025 and the 1st of May 2025, when the self-represented party was confined to a psychiatric hospital under medical orders under 24/7 supervision and remained in that hospital for the next 5 weeks. And stay tuned on this channel in relation to explosive new allegations that Mr. Chris Mint, the New South Wales State Premier, and Mr. Michael Daley, the New South Wales Attorney General, have either turned a blind eye or ignored serious evidence concerning the Judicial Commission of New South Wales and alleged misconduct of that organisation in relation to the conduct or alleged corrupt conduct of New South Wales Supreme Court judges and registrars. We don't intend to submit the dozens and dozens of complaints about judicial officers to that body. However, what we have done as a test pilot, we have submitted a file of evidence in relation to Justice Desmond Fagan and his conduct as a judicial officer. In relation to the Judicial Officers Act 1986, we'll be alleging in due course that legislation is set up to actively protect judicial officers from misconduct or alleged corrupt conduct in our view. However, for the purpose of this video, attention is drawn to Clause 2C of the legislation affirms that the Conduct Division can actually make a decision whether a hearing on serious allegations are held publicly or privately behind closed doors. Given the serious issues of complaints coming through from judicial officers, plainly, obviously in our view, each hearing should be public, should be open, in line with the Judicial Commission's own standards published on their website, to be open and transparent in regards to their conduct. In relation to the file of evidence now before the Judicial Commission concerning Justice Fagan, obviously, plainly, we'll be pressing for an open public hearing. Given the seriousness of the allegations made, it's certainly in the public's interest for that to occur. Needless to say, we'll be seeking a thorough investigation into this complaint, which will entail the Judicial Commission of New South Wales referring the matter to the Conduct Division, and without any doubt, in our respectful view, the only outcome will be for the Judicial Officers Act 1986 and Parliament to invoke their powers and have Justice Desmond Fagan removed from the bench. The fight for true justice and accountability for misconduct and/or corrupt conduct in the courts will continue. We thank you for your time. We thank you for your support.